My career development is a growth discussion process. I believe me, right?
Okay.
I am already graduation complete CSC Computer Science and Engineering in University of INT International University of Malaysia.
Okay.
My subject is based on international business. Now Eastern return by Bangladesh, working job and lead by software company. 5 years working experience. Now choice me my digital marketing, Google data analysis, Google business analysis, research, topic research, business planning, market, social media handling the work, my strong career now. Lead IT company in Bangladesh, top development company, brand promoting the work, my skill growth now. But Bangladesh career development not progressing, but working facility is very low. Working is very low. Future every person career development is up Germany, UK, USA. All graduation complete and graduation person apply the move Europe country, chose the Europe country working as a homework facility. Bangladesh every person very skillful, but working facilities in Bangladesh is low.
Okay. So if I get you correctly, you have a degree in computer and in international business.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, and you have some working experience with IT, more like software, and you have Google business certificates. Yeah.
Yes. Right.
Okay. So what area do you want to work in? So what do you want to work in? If you had to say you want to work in one area, what would that be?
Working now work area.
I mean, what do you want? Like the job you said you want to look for in Germany, in UK, in US. So what kind of job do you want to look like? What kind of job do you want?
I like all the Germany. Germany is a very working person. Germany, I can choose this country working facility.
Okay, so Germany. So what do you want to do in Germany, or what do you want to work as in Germany?
German workers, digital marketing and business development I can lead.
Okay, so digital marketing
and business development.
Do you have experience in this area?
Experience already international market 5 years. 5 years.
Okay, so have
English,
you worked for international organization before?
Bangladesh organization.
International. Have you worked for an international organization?
British Council, Bangladesh International Organization. British Council is English language is a support ISO.
ISO.
Right.
Okay. So, what industry are you looking at? Is it any kind of industry, or are you specific in a particular kind of industry? So, when I talk about industry, I mean like finance, or automobile, or health. So digital marketing, in which industry do you want?
My choice is the IT industry. IT industry is very I have a strong experience. IT industry.
Okay, so information technology,
right. IT.
Okay. So so you talked about your goal for 90 days is to get a remote work.
Yes, 90 days I can possible. As a homework, I can 90 days, weekly 4 days. Uh, uh, you can, as a, is a I can support the company's policy. I can rules, agree with the company every rules.
Okay, okay. So, um, so what areas have you searched on since you said you are looking for Germany? So where have you searched for this remote job? Where have you searched to get?
All search indeed.com, LinkedIn, indeed.com, every that search. I have remotely remote.co.com, international site. Finding every day, finding the LinkedIn job search checkers, let's search. uh, Germany site, Germany job site. Now I have dynamic.remote.com. This site I am follow the.
Mhm. And what has been the feedback so far since you applied?
Uh, Feedback is this mail communication, but this problem, working, not require, not they have recognition as a others country, no, others country, uh, every job Germany, every job in on site, right? But I am looking for remote, I can possibility. uh, this, then company policy I can apply, can possible. I have a visa, passport, I can the recognition every, can possible. But now need the joining this company is remote opportunity I can finding.
Okay, okay, okay. I know that yeah, there are job roles, and a lot of
Lot of
people or recruiters tend to recruit from the Asian market a lot. So um, yeah, okay. Is your LinkedIn optimized?
Yes, I can, my account LinkedIn optimized now. You can visit my account already, right?
Okay.
Now I am finding your LinkedIn account. Your portfolio is a very nice design, the website development, right? Your account,
Mm-hmm.
I have find the your portfolio website, card.co, very nice.
Sorry, I didn't get what you said.
Now I am finding your LinkedIn account. I have the
Mm-hmm.
research. One portfolio site you can have very nice designing as always requirement your portfolio site, right?
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. So now this is um just some tips that I could give you. Okay.
Okay.
Um you can get your portfolio because you want to work in IT, right?
Right.
And on digital marketing.
Right.
And most people that work in digital marketing, they kind of like have their own portfolio
Yes.
of the experiences where they have, right? So, because you said you want to see the desired outcome you want in 1 month, right?
Right.
And for me, I tend to work with people for 3 months to see a considerable outcome, right? So that when we try the first month, it doesn't work, we try another, the second month, we keep improving ourselves. But you said you want to implement um, um, these outcomes in the next 1 month. So yeah, the feedback that I have, one is to optimize your portfolio, more like creating a portfolio. I'm gonna send you an email, just to some free sites you can use to update, update your
My account.
your account,
Yeah.
and then I'll still have to look at your LinkedIn again,
Yeah.
okay, and then give you some actionable points that you would use to optimize your LinkedIn,
Yes.
okay, and then I don't know how your CV is,
Yes.
okay,
Okay.
so you will have to also do an optimized CV as well.
Okay.
Then again, Germany, their main language is German, so there could be more like a communication barrier as well. So again, you have to sharpen your skills in the language that you speak. Which languages do you speak? What is your mother tongue?
Language I have communication always English, but Japanese language I have no speakly not communication, but I have every person I have communication English.
Okay, okay. So I think your for your English skills, you might need to like sharpen it a little bit so that even for the digital marketing, I think it requires a lot of high level communication as well. So so that's the aspects that I could talk about. So just to improve on your communication, and yeah, another important aspect that I would suggest, because we are almost running out of time, is looking at recruiters. Okay,
Okay.
so it's more like looking at recruiters who recruit for EU. Okay,
Okay.
so I think your focus will be recruiters in Asia who recruit for EU companies,
Okay.
or recruiters in Europe that are looking for people in Asian markets.
Right.
I think that should be your focus.
Okay.
Okay.
Asia market I can like, but requirement Asia countries agency not hire Bangladesh people. Every people hire is the Middle East and Italy. In European person if they hire recruitment agency not hire specific in Bangladesh.
Okay, okay, that's fine. But I guess there are people that would want to recruit people from Asia as well, irrespective of the country. So those will be your main target.
Right,
Okay,
right,
those will be your main target.
right, right.
Okay, so yeah, because I think in the past I've seen some um job description, and they're looking for people in the Asian market that they would recruit. Okay,
Okay.
and I've also worked in a team that majority of our people are from the Asian market, right? Like
Oh.
Asian recruiters. Yeah. Okay. So just to interest again, I'm going to send you a link where you can create your own portfolio. The link is free of charge.
Okay.
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 So it's free of charge. You can put up your profile, put up the work that you said you had, just more like summarize what you can offer, and you should be focused on digital marketing and business development. That's where you
Right,
think
right.
your strength is,
Right.
right?
Right.
Okay. Then your LinkedIn, I haven't checked that, but since you've told me, I'm going to check it again
Okay.
and give you actionable points. Then your CV as well, I don't know how it is. Yeah, and sharpen your communications, and then look for recruiters either in the EU market looking for Asian candidates, or in the Asian market looking to recruit into the EU market.
Yes,
Okay.
good. Yeah, good. But you can suggest me recruitment Germany base. You can suggest me recruitment agency. You have you can suggest.
Okay. Okay, I will do my research on that, although I might not promise, because that requires if I mean for this call, like I said, is a free discovery call. I'm not charging you for it.
Okay.
But what I want to make sure is that at the end of the call, you have actionable points to work with. Okay. So yes, I will look for recruiters or agencies. Just to send a couple of, but I'm not promising you that, because that is more like a paid,
Okay.
Package on my own side. Yeah. So, having said that, so are you working currently?
Yes, I have working the Bangladesh as a IT based international company, the BD Tax Limited company, as a software development company. I can lead. And now remote the Japan exporter car export company, the branding support, remote I can lead. To this company I can lead in Bangladesh. To one company Japan's this remote base. Now recent previous company I can lead in Bangladesh is a full time.
Okay, so you are working in those companies right now?
Now my company is BD Tax Limited. I have leading Bangladesh software company. This Invento element is this code canyon software development and process working developer is a programming language. Programming in the IT solution company, BD Tax Limited.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, that's okay. That is what most of the information that I require. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you these actionable items and send it across to you, and yeah, and I think that could be where I can offer help to you. Or is there any other thing you are expecting, or?
Okay. Expecting I have 1,000 and 15,000 I can survive the world in Bangladesh. 1,000 to 15,000.
15,000 what?
Dollar USD. 1,000 for USD dollar I can accepted the lead the company hire me.
If the company should hire you, that is what you would want to receive.
Right. I can receive $1,000. $1,000 I can accepted the every hire companies.
Okay. All right, that's fine. I think we're already 5 minutes. We've already overshot our time by 5 minutes. But it was a pleasure speaking with you, and I hope that you got some actionable items out from this call. Like I said, I'm gonna send across to you those things that I've listed. Okay, to your email. Okay.
Some one question. You have LinkedIn, you have Telegram account, you have Telegram account,
No, I'm not on Telegram. No. Okay. All right, and that's it for now, and yeah, so thank you for coming on the call, and I wish you all the best in your career.
Okay, you can you have give me some WhatsApp or social media communication. I have this with friendship communication. You can have development relationship. You can provide some social account or WhatsApp.
No, I only deal just on LinkedIn. Yeah. All right, I have another call right now, and I will just have to go. Okay. So it was nice having you. Bye.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you.